Well, hi guys, my name's Lodacy2, as you may know, and this is like a video as to why I got into lockpicking or lock sports, and the simple reason is a fascination with all locks. Padlocks, rim cylinder locks and normal cylinder locks, whether they're Euro or UK. The reason I got into lock sports last year, January 2010, is I needed a hobby that was quite cheap, and I needed to take my mind off things regarding myself, because I was going through a few medical problems which are getting sorted out now, and my little boy that had a few problems as well medical wise, and I needed a sport or something that would literally take my mind off things, put me in my own little world, so to speak, and believe me, lock sports did. I joined quite a few forums, looked, got advice, this, that and the other. Fantastic, loved it, so stuck with it, and I then got invited to a great forum which was set up by the great Pick Wizard himself, as you may know, on YouTube, and it is www.uklocksport.co.uk. and through my practice and from what I've been doing, I enjoy picking, and I'm quite good. I won't say brilliant, guys. Bit of a snigger there on the end, because I'm quite good at certain locks, brilliant with others, and you'll find that because you cannot see what's happening inside there. It's feel and it's touch. So get into it, guys, because I've done what I've done and enjoyed it. For UK Lock Sport, I am now the team advisor and UK Lock Sport promoter. So that was a little bit of a reason why I got into lock sports. So let's just shut this up. The forum is absolutely fantastic, it really is, because we're going to show you on the forum how easy it is in certain ways. You don't have to go out and spend hundreds of pounds on a kit. You can go out and buy a kit like mine, or you can actually make your own. And on uklocksport.co.uk we can give you templates for making your own picks. Basically what it is, if you get on there and you actually download, you'll get something like this. I've cut it out from obviously the A4 for the video, and you cut out each individual one on there, which leaves you with that. It's a bit floppy obviously because I've cut it out, but basically you can use hacksaw blades. That's the reason, guys, I say it can actually be a cheap hobby, because you can actually make your own, whether it's your tension wrenches or your picks, as you can see there. Basically what you do is you download these from our great forum. You could either use hacksaw blades, as I say, or if you've got any old kitchen knives laying about, you bob your template on there. I hope you can see that. Sellotape it down or iron it on, whatever you want to do, and use a Dremel or a grinder to go around the edges, and they do make perfect picks. You know, whatever size you actually want, let us know, and we can actually make sure they're uploaded for you. Sorry about the squeaking in the background, guys, that's my little boy's guinea pig has just heard the knife go down on the counter and he thinks he's getting a treat. Again, tension wrenches, you know, you've got your own in your kits, such as that came with the kits. You can make your own, they're so easy, and again on the forum we will show you how to do that. I'm just going to do a quick one now. literally with a couple of pair of pliers. And there, bend that down. Basic principle of it. If you want feather touch, as you all may know, literally grab that on there, twist round, and again from the other video, that's not too bad. That is now a feather touch tension wrench actually made. You can trim these off to whatever size you want, trim the bottom off, put a couple more twists in it, and that's a mass produced one I'm holding in my right hand. So like I say, we'll show you how to do this. There is all sorts that you can actually download from our fantastic forum. Even the fact of these combination locks. Basically what you've got there is a lock. You can actually buy padlock shims. This is not a purchase one, but one I made myself out of an aluminium can. If you just watch, bob it on, bit of grip, edge it in, lock open. So there's hints and tips on there, there really is guys, about literally everything. We have competitions where you can actually win your own tools, picks, you can win locks, you name it, the forum has it. Everybody on there is fantastic. So please, if you're new to Locksport, I've only been at it near on 12 months, it'll be coming on February, where I started getting more into it when I was watching and looking at ebooks. But from last year in January to this year 2011, I've been at it a year, and due to the forum you pick up great bits and pieces. Everybody on there will be able to help you out left, right and centre, they really will, regarding anything you want to know. I'm there as what I see too, the great pick wizard, the founder of www.uklocksport.co.uk. Get on guys, it's not expensive. If you want to buy your first kit, buy a small one, but there is also the option, like I say, of making your own tools, and they're easy to do, you know, like I've just showed with the tension wrench. So if you are a newbie and you may be getting a bit stuck, please join our fantastic forum for hints, tips, advice, you name it, we're all there. So thanks for watching, happy picking, and as I always say, please keep it legal.